In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move a Microsoft list from one SharePoint site to another in just 5 minutes. Let's dive right in and get started with this straightforward process. First, open your preferred web browser and search for Microsoft SharePoint. Once you're on the SharePoint homepage, you'll need to sign in if you haven't already. Simply click on the Sign In button to begin. If you have an existing Microsoft 365 account, you might be automatically logged in. However, if that's not the case, just enter your email address followed by your password. Once you've successfully signed in, it's time to navigate to the new SharePoint site where you want to move your list. This is an important step as we're going to establish the destination for your list. Now, you're going to create a slot for your list on this new site. Click on the plus New button and select List from the drop-down menu. This option allows us to initiate the process of recreating the list on a new site. Once you've clicked on List, you'll need to identify the specific list you wish to transfer. Make sure you are selecting the correct list associated with your initial site so that you can recreate its structure precisely. Following this, provide a name for your new list. It's a good idea to name it something similar to the original to maintain consistency, or feel free to rename it if you're deciding to start with a fresh title. This step will allow you to set up the new list with all the same columns as your source list, ensuring that the structure and data alignment remain intact. Finally, click Create to finalize this step. The platform will then generate your new list with the columns mirroring those of your original list. With these simple steps, you've moved your Microsoft list from one SharePoint site to another. Remember, each SharePoint environment could be slightly different due to IT settings or permissions, so you may need to check with your administrator if you encounter any issues. That's all it takes. Thank you for joining me in today's video, and I hope this guide was helpful in making your SharePoint experience a bit more seamless. For more tutorials and tech tips, make sure to stay tuned to our channel. See you next time.